As our body's largest organ, the skin acts as our protective shield against environmental factors. But over time, things like the sun, changing hormones, and age can take a toll on our skin. This perhaps is most noticeable on our face. Wrinkles, discoloration, and acne are among some of the chief complaints many of us have. As a result, cosmetic dermatology, or medical aesthetics, is a rapidly growing field. This is primarily due to the fact that cosmetic dermatology is more cost-effective than plastic surgery and can, in many cases, achieve better results.
Plastic surgery typically involves treatment of one area of the face surgically. With cosmetic dermatology, what we're doing is treating the entire face in a non-surgical manner. And it's also much more cost-effective to treat the entire face versus one area at a time.
There are several modalities used to treat our skin, and it all depends on what the areas of concern are. The best way to understand some of the more popular treatments and what they can do for us is to ask the experts in the field.
Botox is a substance we inject to reduce muscle movement in the brow and the forehead and around the eyes. In doing so, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Dermal fillers are an entirely different substance that we inject to fill in areas where there's a deficit, whether it be around the nose or mouth or cheeks. These areas are filled in to improve the smoothness and contour of the face.
Lasers can help you in a multitude of range of any kind of concerns you may have with your skin. They can help you from laser hair removal. They can help you with hyperpigmentation on your skin as far as freckles go or darkness underneath the eyes. They can also help you with, if you have acne, if you have any kind of body contouring issues that you may want to have done, and smoothing out the skin and tightening it. It can also help you with resurfacing as well, if you have stretch marks or any kind of scar tissue that you want to eliminate. What body contouring does is it's an alternative way to reduce the size of your body without going through the trials and tribulations of liposuction. It will actually create a warm pocket outside the fat cell and push water and toxins out so that they all become one size together as one. Now, if you get liposuction, it takes out fat cells. So if you do go and gain weight in a certain area, it won't go back to the area you had removed. It'll go to a certain area like your wrist or your elbow, somewhere uncomfortable and maybe unpleasant for you.
An informed patient is a confident patient and is more likely to stick with a skincare regimen during and after a procedure. Paula Connor had several of these procedures done and credits her aesthetic success to fully understanding what each protocol could do for her.
I think that having a relationship with your physician as a patient in cosmetic aesthetics is imperative. I think it's the only way that we can come to understand the benefits, how to maximize them, the risks and the limitations. And having this relationship here has allowed me the confidence to build a plan for the next 10 years for my skin, my beauty, my treatment.
Our face is usually the first thing people notice about us. And while we can't stop the aging process, we can team up with the right medical professionals who have the right tools to help give us youthful good looks for years to come.
Medical aesthetics is a wonderful profession in that patients come in here wanting to look younger and feel younger, and I'm able to accomplish that every day. It does feel like art. It's very artistic what we do here. And I tell clients and other colleagues that as a medical aesthetics physician, I feel like I'm 50% physician and 50% artist.
Is there an embarrassing skin condition you've been struggling with? Or have you been longing to address the wrinkles you see in the mirror but don't know who to trust? Look no further. Dean Michael Aesthetics is a unique wellness center that combines the art of aesthetic medicine and other medical treatments under the same roof. Led by Dr. Dean Tomasello, the medical team here can effectively treat everything from acne and discoloration to the noticeable signs of aging, taking years off your face.
My overall experience in coming here has been a journey for me. I began with a plastic surgeon and I've been to a dermatologist, and I was unable to achieve the results that I really wanted. So it wasn't until I came to Dean Michael Aesthetics that I found out about other treatments that could apply and have helped me. I know that I look and feel 10 years younger than the first day I came into this office, and the service-oriented nature of this practice has allowed me to get into some new treatments, new territories, really limited my risks and maximized my benefits. I couldn't be more delighted with my result.
The menu of services is extensive and more affordable than you think. Dr. Tomasello takes immense pride in educating his patients on these treatments so that they can make an informed decision for their skincare needs.
There's several things for patients to consider with facial augmentation. There's dermal fillers and several different laser procedures we can do. These are very effective as far as bringing a youthful result with very little downtime. With cosmetic surgical procedures, there's typically a much longer period of downtime, and they're certainly much more expensive.
Treatments for acne have evolved in many ways and are far better than they were 2 years ago. Our lotions can get them gone just with the one lotion instead of incorporating 2 or 3 different lotions. Our lasers are about 5 times stronger than they were 3 years ago, and also we keep it simple as far as they just come in every 2 to 3 weeks depending on the patient for a chemical peel or a micro and show up and we clean it out.
Complementing his work is the Dean Michael skincare line. Dr. Tomasello carefully crafted the line to optimize the results from the procedures done here at his office. Each product is so effective the entire line will soon be available nationwide at some of the country's most popular retailers.
The product line is a very important element of my skincare regime. Mature skin requires products that match it, and this full skincare line has been a lifesaver for me.
Your prescription for beauty is well within your reach. The experts at Dean Michael Aesthetics will take you to destination transformation. For more information, visit us at dmaesthetics.com or call the number on your screen.